From the streets of Naija to the heart of the nation. Now here we dey break the gist. News where everybody understand.
Nigeria weather they do like NEPA today. Calm this morning, but later if it turns storm real quick. Now Pidgin Vibez Weather Report, where we dey give you correct weather gist across Nigeria. For Sokoto, Katsina, Kebbi and Zamfara, morning go soft, but afternoon sun go bite well. Kano, Jigawa and Kaduna go see dry breeze with light haze for later hours. For Abuja, Naija and Nasarawa, morning go clear, but clouds go gather sharp. For Plateau, Bauchi and Taraba, evening thunderstorm fit land with small lightning. For Lagos, Ogun and Oyo, humidity go high die. Body go dey sweat like say light no day. But evening breeze go balance things small for Osun and Ekiti. For Delta, Edo and Bayelsa, rain fit fall sudden, no warning. Rivers and Akwa Ibom go likely see strong rainfall with thunder. For Enugu, Imo, Abia and Anambra, sky go cloudy but heat still go show face. Temperature across Nigeria go range between 24 degrees and 38 degrees today. So if you want step out today, carry both umbrella and sunshade because weather no get single plan. Pidgin Vibez go always dey give you better updates wey matter. Before you come out house tomorrow, check here first.